Myself, Niraj, and I've started with AOE 3 years back, and I was presented an opportunity to join AOE as a coach, one of the coach, which was great, and I took on board, and I'm still here. So obviously, the coaching team has been great. I can't even remember. That was probably 6 years back or 7 years back. I lost my job, and I went for a seminar. And that was from a Brett McFall, and I saw a seminar where it opened up my eye and my vision to make money while you sleep. Basically, the idea was make money while you sleep. So I came across with Amazon FBA opportunity, and then I decided to just do a quick course that gave me an overview of what is FBA, how can you do FBA business, and how can you build your private label brand. Basically, everything is at a high level. So I then decided to just fast forward that process, and then do a product research quickly. Went to the bestseller category and picked something that I could simply launch very easily. My initial budget was around only $1,000 or $1,500, which is what I've started with, because I wasn't sure whether I'm doing this in the right way. I didn't have the support like you guys have at the moment as the AOE community. And 6 years, 7 years back, there were very little, probably nothing in Australia. And I was involved with some communities in US, and I was talking to people early morning, like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, just trying to get knowledge out of their head, things like that, because that's where the community was. And then I decided to just go with the flow, just launch something quickly, and do a first-hand experience of what is involved with FBA, what is listing, what is ASIN, what is shipping, how the shipping plan is created, how to source a product, everything fast forward. I quickly launched something that I could afford, and I'm going to be very honest here as well, that I've launched a phone accessory, iPhone charging cable. Okay, I'm like, this is something you can buy for 80 cents at that time. I don't know now, but probably around the same price, 80-cent iPhone charging cable. And I thought I would just launch whatever I can afford. So with $1,500, I could launch, I think, around 800 some cables, including shipping and all that. So I launched the phone charger online on US marketplace, and then I didn't get any sale for first 2 to 3 months. So I was checking my sales almost every every hour. Is there a sale? Is there a sale? Is there a sale? No sale for 3 months. And then I'm thinking, what's happening? What am I doing wrong? So I started exploring, what can I do with my product? How can I make it visible, or what is the difference in my product versus others? And then I realized that my product, particular cable that I was selling, fits most of the cases, including the life-proof case, for example. And a lot of the other aftermarket cables do not fit life-proof case. I don't know if you know the life-proof case, but life-proof case is basically a waterproof case. It's got a shock resistance and things like that. So this is like a bulky case. So aftermarket cables do not fit these life-proof cases, and that was light bulb moment for me. I decided to put that into my title, say this cable is for life-proof case. And then from that point onwards, like in 2 to 3 weeks time, I started getting organic sales. Sometime Amazon wants to suspend your listing, suspend your account, suspend this, suspend that. Try to find all the problems when you are actually growing. They don't normally find problems when you are not selling, but when you start selling, they start coming after you. So that's what happened with me as well. And they started asking me the certification in the cable and things like that. So they kind of shut down. I think they shut down my listing at some stage after a few months, when I was selling really like a hotcake. And I was about to quit my job, because I was making almost $6,000 a month just from this one listing. So I was about to quit my job. I could have quit my job, but then this happened. And again, long story short, I try my best, and then got hold of some good lawyers that could help me with opening my account back, and all of that worked as well. So thankfully I got my account back, and then I got my listing back as well. So I'm back on track with selling the iPhone charger. Then I launched some other phone accessories, but I try to stay away from iPhone, because iPhone's got the certification requirements versus other phones. The Android doesn't have the certification. Android is quite open market.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. $50 million, holy crap. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business too, get off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.